Well, it's here. My silver play button from YouTube for reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's pretty exciting. If you're new here, thanks for being here. I'm excited to have you. If you've been around for a while, thank you for being part of the journey and supporting me and subscribing to my content. And hopefully you've gained something from it. If you're unfamiliar with me or the brand, my name's Jared, and the brand is Self-Taught Success. And the meaning of that name is all the information you're looking for is out there. It's just up to you to seek it out, find it, and then apply it on the path to your goals. And that's the idea behind the content, is the things that I'm learning to hopefully share with you so you can learn and get straight to the source on that information, of narrowing down your search where hopefully you get best information straight away without having to do a bunch of extra searching. So I'm really excited about this. This has been several years in the making of working to essentially get this trophy. So I'm going to make this unboxing video. You'll see my reaction live. I'm not going to show the box itself because it's got my address on it, but black box says YouTube. It's pretty cool to see it, but the YouTube journey has been a long one. It's been a grind. And on X, formerly Twitter, we've really mastered growing brands. We've generated over 3.5 million followers, over 1.5 billion impressions, and generated over tens of millions of dollars in value for our clients. And we've mastered that platform. And so now we've expanded to YouTube. And I just really wanted to see if we could, expand beyond X. And my first 3,539 videos took me from 0 to 2,195 subscribers. And that was 716 days. So in that period of a little over 2 years, we posted an average of 5 videos a day to get to that point. And then I really devoted, I was like, I'm going to try this and I'm really going to go for it, make it click, try a few new strategies, and boom, it took off. So it's just one of those things, you stay consistent long enough, you'll figure out what works. It just so happened to take me 716 days, but at that time it clicked and we went from 2,195 subscribers to 105,000 plus subscribers in the matter of 49 days over 92 videos. It's one of those things that looks like an overnight success kind of thing, but the reality is, there's 3,539 videos before that didn't amount to a whole lot. So you just stay consistent in the grind and the process, stay committed to learning, and you'll learn a lot. And when you can apply it on the path to your goals, great things happen. So here we are, super excited to get some wall decor here, get my YouTube plaque up here behind me, and here we go. Ooh, man. This is just fun. Wow. Get some nice black felt. Holding it in. Man, this is sweet. And then Society Awards, that's who makes the award. And when you reach it, YouTube will send you a notification. Here's the, your code for redemption. Your first one's free. And then they'll send you a code if you want to buy additional ones, and they have a few different options of different ways you can get the plaque kind of thing. But this here is a business card from Society Awards. It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This package was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your reward was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us." And this is the email address. So I guess I'll show you. This is how it came in. Box, felt, you take it off, little business cards right there. And we have our letter. Here it is. I'll read the letter, then I'll show it, and then I'll show you the plaque. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. So here it is. And try not to look at the plaque, but here's the letter signed by YouTube CEO. It's a nice paper too. I don't know what size this is. It's not quite a normal paper size of 8.5 by 11. I want to say this is probably closer to like, I don't know, maybe it's like I don't know. It's less than the 8.5 by 11. Maybe it is an 8 by 10, but um, very nice. Pretty sweet. And man, here it is. Wow. That is pretty sweet. Here it is. Presented to self-taught success for passing 100,000 subscribers at YouTube. It's a little cold, a little chilly. The actual award, there it is. And this is neat. Like this is like it's concave. It's not like flat all the way through, but it's like this and the little play button in the middle. It's all one level, and then the rectangle looking part is concave. So that is definitely pretty cool. See if we can get it out here. There it is. Boom. Presented to self-taught success for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow. All right. And then the back of it, this is like a little mirror in there too. Back of it's got place you get your hooks on. Nice felt on the back on that as well. Super clean looking. And then again, it's got the Society Awards, got a little thing in there that you can email and get the other plaques, the other trophies, if you want to send it to your team and such. So pretty cool. Definitely a highlight. I have like 440 something thousand followers on X. And I've had 100,000 for quite a while, but they don't send you any plaques or anything. So I don't know. It feels like a accumulation of the last 3.5, 4 years of work is like somewhat represented in this trophy. So it's pretty cool. It's humbling. So I appreciate you being along with the ride and the journey and being a supporter along the way, and excited to keep making content and sharing it with you. And it's a beautiful thing. Life's a beautiful thing. And there's something about going after something and getting it that is really rewarding. And as sweet as like the roses smell when you get to smell them, don't forget to smell them along the way. And the journey is really one of those things of once you reach your goals, the journey is a part that means a lot. And you look back on like, wow, that I was actually enjoying the journey more than I thought I was in the moment. So make sure to take some time, enjoy the moments, in the path to your goals, and keep working towards them. And if I can help you, if I can make content on anything to help you out, I love to learn. So I'm happy to learn more about it and go from there. But thanks for being a part of the journey. This is pretty sweet. Dream come true right here. Look at that. Pretty awesome. So thanks for being a part of the journey and support me along the way. So I hope that my content can help you out and support you along the way in your journey as well. Thank you. God bless you.